To earn money online.
नहीं
So start the video. I can show you how can you earn money in Chatgpt. Yes, not only just earn money in your Chatgpt, using Chatgpt, just only you can use Chatgpt as a fun fact, as a daily life use. Okay, so now go to Chatgpt, go to Google and search ChatGPT and press enter. You can find here ChatGPT, including this ChatGPT. Here you can find introducing ChatGPT. Click here. Once you have clicked here, you can redirect to this website introducing ChatGPT. There you can introduce ChatGPTs and click the try ChatGPT and pop-up window will open and go through this chatgpt.com. Okay, and ChatGPT and now after pop-up you go to chatgpt.com and absolutely you can log in. I have already logged in. You can see I am logged in already, and you can log in and use ChatGPT. Okay, I can say hi to ChatGPT. This is AI. Okay, ChatGPT is AI. You can see the simple ChatGPT. The ChatGPT talk to me. Hey, what's up? Okay, this is AI. Okay, I can say how are you? I can say how are you? The ChatGPT saying I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? Everything good on your end? You see, the AI is so good. Okay, I can save a question. Okay, I can say you a question. Okay, I can say you a question. ChatGPT told me, of course, ask me anything what's on your mind. Okay, I can little bit prove that ChatGPT is so intelligent. How can? So I can prove it. The one example is 1000 minus divide 4544 plus and divide 12. Okay, I can here you can see they are very strong math. 1000 divide 7000 plus to divide 44. How much? What what the answer was? What is the answer? Okay, what is the answer? Okay, you can see. Let's break it down step by step. You can see that step 1 do the division, step 2 add the two results. Then you see full of results. The final answer is approximately this is the final result. Okay, and this is the correct result. So the final result is এখন এত want to round differently using a specific context. Okay, you can switch differently. Okay, so this is the internet AI, and now I can say use this AI to earn money by online. Okay, and say this ChatGPT, how can I earn earn money online 2025? Press enter, and here you can see great questions, and 2025 is full of opportunity to make money online. Here are some of the top legit tools that people are earning right now. It says people are earning right now these opportunities. This very fun. What is number now? These opportunities you can earn money. Number one, freelancing. Your skill, your cash. You have a skill, then you generate this money. Platform Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal. Skill in demand: graphic design, writing, video editing, coding, digital marketing, AI prompt engineering. Okay. Pro tip: build a strong profit and portfolio specialized in niche. Number two, YouTube. Plus arbitrage, create faces, videos, run ads, and drive traffic, earn money AdSense, affiliate links, and CP offers. You already exploring this one. And number three, dropshipping. Print on demand, use Shopify or Etsy. Sell trending products without holding inventory. Use AI tools for product research and marketing copy. Number four is affiliate marketing. Promote products and get commission for every sale. Top platform Amazon associates Disease Store 24, ClickBank's Impact Partners Track. You can look at this always in online. Pair with a niche blog, YouTube channel, or email list. Number four is sell digital products, courses, ebooks, Notion templates, AI prompt packs, Canva designs, or video courses. Sell on Gumroad, Fiverr, Teachable, or Etsy. And number six is social media monetization. Like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Build a following and monetize via brand deals, digital products, affiliate links. And number seven is AI-powered side hustles. Resell AI-generated logos, voices, videos. Offer ChatGPT-based services in content writing, chatbot script, build mini SaaS apps, or automation with AI tools. Automation at a best your skill on the rest. Okay, these are seven skills. Best, that's a good skills. Good skills. There you can earn money online, and if if you don't understand in seven ways, you can increase more. I can just tell me about. I can say ChatGPT. Tell me more. Tell me about more. Okay. So ChatGPT, this saying absolutely let's go deeper and explore more money making ideas online in 2025, including some low investment and even passive income option. Ready? Let's roll. Okay. Number eight is remote work, online jobs, full-time or part-time gigs from lazy sites. We work remotely, remote flex jobs, role virtual assistant, customer support, tech support, QA text. Number nine is CPA marketing. CPA marketing costs per action. You get paid when someone signs up, submits a form, or downloads an app. Use platforms like Max Bounty, CPA Leap, etc. Okay, combine with paid traffic, pop under push or native or TikTok organic content. Number 10 is create a sale in digital art. Okay, NFT is still a niche market, but if you are creative, less. There's demand for digital collaboratives, AI-generated art, custom avatars, or profit-free collection. Sale on OpenSea, Rarible, or Magic Eden. Number 11 is microtasks, small gigs. Great for beginners. If you are beginners, this is for you. Just starting with swag bags, click worker, remote tasks, Amazon Mechanical tasks including surveys, image labeling, data entry, basic research. And number four is AI content creation and automation. Use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva AI to create blog posts for SEO, Pinterest pins, Instagram Carousels, auto-generated TikTok videos. And number 13 is stock photography and video. Upload your photos video to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Font5. Passive income whenever someone downloads your content. And number 14 is online tutoring or number 14 is online tutoring or coaching. If you are good at something, math, coding, fitness, languages, you can teach by properly, Cambly or Wizant. Create your own coaching website or YouTube channel. Number 15. Number 15 is gaming and game streaming. Many people are like this category because many people are already use gaming for a good time. Play games and make money by streaming on Twitch on YouTube, playing P2E play to earn blockchain games, selling in-game assets or coaching others. And number 16. Number 16 is write and self-publish. Use Amazon KDP to publish ebooks, non-fiction, fiction, kids books, AI-generated stories, low-content books, journals, planners. Let Amazon print and ship. Your job is done after setup. And number 17 is flipping and reselling, buying cheap and sell high. Thrifted clothes, shoes, Nike, Adidas, electronics, digital domains, and NFTs or social media accounts, platforms, eBay's, Facebook Marketplace, etc. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Um, this platform eBay, Facebook Marketplace. Okay. So wanna narrow this down to beginner friendly, no money to start, passive income only based on your skill. Let me know if it a custom list set for you. Okay. The ChatGPT says let me know and I will build a custom list just for you. I will, and I just tell me different ways to so so I can tell me different ways to earn money online. I can say it in ChatGPT and and here you can see this top different. He wrote me down top different ways to make money online. Number one, sell your creativity, print on demand, sell t-shirt, mugs, hoodies via Redbubble, Teespring, digital arts and stickers, sell on Etsy, on Gumroad, logo branding designs, offer services on 99, designs on Fiverr. Number two is create and sell content. Sorry. Stock photos, videos, upload on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, etc. AI generated art, use Midjourney, Delhi, and sale on Marketplace. Instagram Reels, TikTok, grow a following and monetize with brand deals. Number three, freelance and remote gigs, web development, video editing, content writing, translation, etc. Sites, Upwork, Toptal, freelancer, for people per hour. Number four, teach or share knowledge. Online tutoring, take English, coding, music properly, Cambly, Superproof. Skill-based coaching, fitness, career, dating, etc. Create an online course, use platform like Teachable, Udemy, on Gumroad. Number five, passive income streams. Native automation, faceless channel with monetized views. Affiliate marketing, earn commission through product referrals. Blogging for SEO traffic, earn with AdSense and affiliate link. Number six, sell digital products, templates, Notion, Canva, Reading, ebooks or guides, AI prompt packs, sale on Etsy, Gumroad. Number 7, play and earn, games, streaming, Twice, Kiki, TV gaming, Play to earn crypto game check for legit ones, game coaching, Fortune, Valorant, Minecraft. Use AI for profit. Sell AI generated content, product descriptions, social media posts, offer AI content and promote engineering services, create AI art, videos and voices for clients. Number 9, e-commerce hustles, dropshipping, Shopify plus TikTok plus Facebook ads, Amazon FBA sell physical products without handling inventory, listing items, trade stuff on eBay or Facebook marketplaces, micro-income and sites apps, surveys and tasks, swagbucks, inbox dollars, KYCs, cashback apps, Rakuten, Honey Dash, beta testing apps, website user testing, try my UI, and etc. You can try. There are number 11, coding and dev side hustles. Build and sell SaaS apps. Automate business with bots or scrappers. Sell website templates or landing pages. And many ways you can earn money by ChatGPT by providing this information. Take this information